It's that time of the year again at the Food Truck Festival 2023. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and yes indeed, it's that time again. So if you're hungry, you better head on down here to the Food Truck Festival 2023. Let's go eat some grub. And as you can see, this is the last day on a Sunday at the food truck, and it is super packed and super busy. Let's go check out who's here today. Some of the large crowds, they've got tents this year where you can sit up underneath the tents and eat. Several bathrooms, and this year they did something a little different. They put all the vendors outside of the area, closer to the beach by the volleyball parks. Yes, they had such a good turnout on all these food trucks. Look at that. Lobsters, they've just got everything. Tropical snow, ATM machine in case you forget cash. Here is the catering and the menu. Weddings, birthday parties, and the line is pretty long.
Look down in there, how many people?
Gracious. And like I said, this has been running since Friday, and it is just packed. And here you got some good looking ribs. It's called pig, fish, and chicken, straight out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And that is a long line too. Alrighty, so now we're in search of the longest line, and it looks like, gracious.
Is that a line all the way down to
Let's check it
Yummy
out.
Tummy?
Let's see. Yummy Tummy must be something crazy.
Got your lobster and dogs.
And that line is still long. And then you got Wild Bill's. What is it?
This is a oink and move. You said piggy and cow, didn't you?
Yeah.
There's curbside catering.
All right. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Winner of the best food truck curbside catering.
That's why we're out of those Phillies.
Oh.
It was won for 4 years in a row.
Oh, really?
There you go.
Gee.
Is
Coastal barbecue. It's insane. Home of the Big Fatty.
Oh, yeah.
The Big Fatty.
And the line's pretty long.
There's Jersey dogs over here. And look at these little tables.
Yeah.
They're ironing boards. Okay, on this side, you got Holt Grill and Company, which has burgers, Phillies, tacos. Here's kettle corn.
Yep. Smells good, don't it? I always like to smell
There's
kettle corn.
that lemonade that
Oh, okay.
I think.
I think so.
Let's
That's-
see.
I'm going to get in line for this one.
Oh, yeah? Way back here?
Oh.
Surf dogs.
Mm-hmm.
And here's another entrance. If you don't want to.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Enter in at the Tiki Bar like
Right.
we did.
We entered in through the Tiki Bar side, which is 8th Avenue, but enter in up here. How was that popsicle?
So strong.
Is it?
Strong and good.
It's still long.
And this is.
There's maybe 2 of them. It's the cheesesteak line. Showing you why the line is so long. Look at that. Delicious.
Okay, so you got your more vendors, food vendors on this side, like Kona Ice, Pita Perfect.
I think I'm going to try the Pita Perfect.
You want to try the Pita Perfect?
Yes.
Well, that sounds just perfect.
You going to eat some with me?
Sure.
I think I'm going to get the chicken gyro.
Everything else is sold out. Not everything, but lots of things are sold out.
Hey, I'd like to try your chicken gyro.
Chicken gyro. Do you want the traditional tzatziki sauce or do you want spicy feta?
No, the traditional.
All right, so let's see what you got. Now, this was at the Pita Perfect. Oh my gosh, Buffy.
Good gravy.
Look at that. Heck yeah.
All right.
At the Pita Perfect. Right there.
You want fries?
Is the fries good?
All right, let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Then we can come back. Well, I chose to go with the perfect pita. My chicken gyro was covered with Greek tzatziki sauce. The grilled chicken was grilled to perfection, and the French fries even had a Greek seasoning on top of them. They don't know what they're missing. And the line keeps getting longer and longer. I'm looking to see if it's gonna make it back there to Ripley's, believe it or not. Alrighty, so we found out what the hype is all about. It's cotton candy, candy apples, and good old fresh smelling popcorn. They also got some slushies.
And fried cheesecake.
Oh yeah, that's probably what it is, isn't it? It's the fried cheesecake. I didn't see that. But look at that line. For real?
Yeah.
How long did you wait for that?
About 10 minutes for my cotton candy.
10 minutes.
Oh, look at that. They also have separated away from everything else, the vendors and all, the bouncy houses located in a large, good family area. Get you something from the food trucks and then come on out here and have a picnic.
It's a picnic basket.
That's right, with a view. See there? Got their mats and ready to picnic. And as you can see that they have the gates just for this festival because you do have to pay $5 to get in. And if you want to work off some of that food you just ate, go on over there to the volleyball courts. Gracious.
Here's the Nosh Pit.
Let's
Got a
see.
long line as well.
Oh yeah. Here's a check of the menu. You can see that. I'm trying to. And look over here for the London roll steak. And another long line. Well, if you didn't get it early in the morning, the cupcake line is gone because they're all sold out. So let me get this straight. You're still sitting in line for Ashley's, is it Ashley's Yum Yum?
Ashley's Yummy Tummy.
Oh, Yummy Tummy.
Yeah.
What are you going to get whenever you get up there?
Corn in a cup.
Oh, corn on the cob. All right, there you have it. It must be worth it because look at this.
Let me see.
All the way back
Now watch
there.
this. Way up there.
And what was your name again?
Noelle.
I'm Noelle. Where is it?
Fayetteville, North Carolina.
Fayetteville, North Carolina. She drove all the way up here just to get some corn on the cob from Ashley's Yummy Tummy Corn on the Cob. All right, well, there you have it, folks. That was the Food Truck Festival in Myrtle Beach 2023. I guess next year I'm going to have to get here early to bring you some of that Yummy Tummy Corn on the Cob. Until next time, keep eating, and as always, keep beaching.